Hey guys, I just wanted to show you some different tips for online safety. Cherokee County School District has an amazing site for parents, students, and teachers all about online safety. They have put together a lot of resources and links to help parents and students. One of the places I wanted to show you was Edutopia's article about what your students really need to know about digital citizenship. This, I feel, is a great website to allow students, to allow teachers to put together a discussion or a morning meeting that goes and to make sure that you hit all of these different topics that come to internet safety. Another great website that is linked from Cherokee County is cyberbullyhelp.com. This is a great website, especially for as our students are getting older and they come in contact with bullying and cyberbullying. This gives you resources, trainings, all things, way to contact, to get information about cyberbullying and how to report and prevent bullying in the digital age. The last thing I wanted to show you was in Nearpod. This is what I use with my students when discussing digital citizenship. Nearpod has teamed up with Common Sense Media, and they've put together all different tools and lessons that go along with grade level bands and digital citizenship. So this is for 3 through 5, and I've already done a few of these lessons with my students. One of the ones that we start with is our digital citizenship pledge. That's a great lesson. Super Digital Citizen Password Power-Ups is a really good one. Also, there's just lots of great options here, and Nearpod and Common Sense Media, Common Sense Education have really done a great job of creating these lessons that are interactive and very engaging for the students. So I hope you enjoy, and I hope you will be able to use some of these digital tools.